got onboarded on Tom blockchain and you come across this website called the STON.fi, and you think, what is this website? What is the purpose of this website? Because if you go to STON.fi, I think it means finance. Okay, you think, what the heck is this website? Okay, STON.fi is a decentralized exchange on Tom blockchain, and this website is designed for easy and low cost of crypto trading, which allow user to swap various Tom-based token with a small or cheap fee at very high speed. Okay, I've been using Storm for a while right now, and it has been good for me. Even I even have stake there. When I'm still getting started to know the Stone.fi. So without further ado, let me show you how quick you can use the website, how you can navigate the website as a someone that just onboarded on Tom blockchain. When you get to the Stone.fi, you are going to go to the app. When you go to the app, it's going to display a page for you like this. Okay, it's going to display a page for you like this. Okay, swap. In these swap pages, you can swap your Ton token into any token like this. Okay, you can swap it into any token. So let us thought that the token you are searching for is listed on this exchange, but you can't find it here. You can copy the smart contract and paste it right here. Okay, you can copy the smart contract and paste it right here. For example, let me use one as an example. If the token or coin is listed on this exchange, you are going to see it like this. This is a token which is called time, and I just import it right now. So how did I do that? I paste the smart contract, go to the where I can get the smart contract, maybe from their website or from their Twitter pages, but make sure you are copying the right thing from the right source, from the right place, because you don't want to get missed out. Okay, so this is it. After I've successfully import the token and it appear here. Okay, so let's thought I want to swap, like I want to swap the my ton into this time token. So I'm going to use 1 ton, for example, or maybe 0.5 ton, for example, to swap this. I'm going to click on swap. Okay, I'm going to click on swap. As you can see, the price impact is very low, and the max slippage is 1% compared to other blockchain or other set that use like 10%, 5%, sometimes 15% for the transaction to go. So you can click on swap right now, and boom, everything will see what is going to swap, and you can going to confirm. So this is how you are swapping from ton to this time token. Okay, so boom, say 1 more seconds, like he stated that this thing is allow user to swap various Tom token with minimal fee at high speed. Okay, so you can go away to do your stuff that you want to do, and I'm also going to show you how to swap this thing back. Maybe okay, swap on the DEX, and you are looking, okay, I want to change this thing, convert this thing back to ton. Okay, I want to convert this thing back to ton. So you can let us wait this thing not finish. So first thing you have to do to confirm whether our transaction has gone or not, click on history, and so I'm still waiting for it to appear right here in history to make sure that I can close this tab. Okay, to make sure that thing is really working. So we have the second one right here, which is called the pool. The pool is where you can provide liquidity at any fee. Okay, you have done, you have USDT. Okay, so why can't you provide liquidity for this and make money? So how can you do this one? Before you can provide liquidity, you have to have coin of 2 PS. Remember, okay, not at all I want to provide liquidity for a ton, okay, and ton and USD, and they say the farm is almost 63.8%. Okay, and I want to add liquidity. If you want to know more about liquidity, you can check here and know more about liquidity. You say, started by adding liquidity to participate in farming. The first liquidity to a specific pool. This will guarantee you the liquidity pool token, okay, which is necessary for farming, because in any pool you have to have the LP, which is called the liquidity um liquidity parent token for this. Okay, so you are going to click on add liquidity. So which liquidity you want to add? You can add total. I want to add 1 ton to USDT, but you need to have USDT. That is why you can go here and swap your ton into USDT. Now, what I'm saying before is now this thing has already been swapped. This thing has already been swapped. As you can see, you can find the coin right here. Now, let I want to sell this coin back, which is 0.5, even though I don't know the amount I purchased. So I purchased like 6975.81. So let I want to sell like 6,000 of these. Okay, I want to sell like 6,000 of this coin. I can, as you can see, click on this some kind of inverted arrow. As you can see, I can change it up, I can change it up, I can change it down. Can you see like that? I can change it up, I can change it down, up, down. So let me check again, because I'm looking for one that I can just sell right now. So let me say I want to sell like 6,000 of this one, just 6,000 of this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on swap. As you can see, even the fee is much lower. So see the fee that we pay, 0.04 ton, and click on confirm. So input your password. So that's how you are going to do it. So when it comes to providing liquidity, let me just show you how you can provide liquidity in seconds. Okay, now I have 1 ton. Let me go and switch my ton to USDT. Select USDT right here. I'm going to convert 1.1 ton, yeah, 1.1 ton to USDT, and I'm going to click on swap, click on confirm. So that is how you are able to convert your ton to USDT using this STON.fi. Okay, this thing has already been working a lot. So check, make sure you just check before you close this tab. Okay, so you won't lose it. So this one has already been swapped. Okay, so you can see. So let us go to the liquidity and provide uh, liquidity to the pool. Now click on add liquidity. I'm going to use 1 ton for example. The liquidity I'm going to add is slash USDT. Okay. So let us back to the pool. There are a lot of various pool that you can add your liquidity to. We have the ton, not coin, which is, so this give 1% APR in 24 hours. Why don't I go for this not and ton? So let us go for this not and ton. For farming, so add liquidity. You must have a ton, you must have not. So I want to use one against this ton. Okay, let me try 2 against this and see. So I have ton. I type 3. 3 will go. No, I don't know 3 will go. So let me provide like 2.5 for this liquidity. Okay, so as you can see, they are of same value. I'm going to click on provide liquidity, and 24 hours APR. The minimum receive is this one, and this is the fee that I have to pay. The blockchain fee is 0.30 ton. So let us see the fee right there. So everything was stated right here. This is the execute contract, the color contract, contract deployment, everything right here was stated right here. And I thought it cost me 0.5, which is almost like $3 to provide liquidity. So this thing costs 0.5 to deploy. So I'm going to click on confirm, and I'm going to input my password. For you, I'm using Tonekeeper wallet. I can set up the Tonekeeper wallet, and it's easier than the Google Chrome. You can either do this on your mobile devices or on your PC if you wish. So I'm trying to create a liquidity for this. Put the liquidity right here inside the pool. So after we are done with that one, let us go to the next one. We have the stake right here. So this is one of these parts. So let's go to the stake. So you can stake stone, and for you to get this stone, okay, you can stake stone and acquire a DAO voting power with Hacking Stone. So I think I have one Hacking Stone, not here, in this my one of my accounts. So if you have anything, maybe they want to change the features right here, or they want to add the features, they want to uh remove the features, you are going to get that stone. Okay, let me go to this, the collectible part. As you can see, this is the Hacking Stone, the Hacking Stone, and that is what you are given. You'll be given a power to vote, to be against, or for it. So they can't make a decision unless you agree to it. And the more stone you have after you stake it, the more power you are going to have, the voting power you are going to have. So you can go here and read more about it. As you can see, what is the Hacking Stone? Read more about this one. Okay. So back to our pool. As you can see, we have already provided liquidity to the pool. Let us go back and go to my pool. So here we are going to see the liquidity we provided and how much of the liquidity we provided. We provided only like $37 worth of liquidity for this. So you can do like various for videos like the Ton and Jefferson. So the one that have the most APR in 24 hours. Let me see the uh let me see, 24 hours. We have this one, Clown and Ton. Please make sure you do your research before you put your money inside this. Just because they have this APR, 24 hours APR, and they're high, doesn't mean you should just go there without doing your research and put your money in there. Okay, so and this is total value lock in the pool. And let us go to the volume in 24 hours, and Ton USDT have the best volume in 24 hours. The second, we have the Clown USDT. I don't know this clown though. This Clown USDT, I don't even know this clown though. But you can even provide liquidity for it, and you can even do our further research about this clan, because I don't know about this clan, but you can do a research about this. So what I do is just click on this and see, these are the two orders. Okay, and these are the transaction makes. So if I want to invest in this thing, I would like to go to they have Twitter or website to check out their website. So they have done the volume, like they have done the volume, they quite a volume. Okay, so almost like their pool reserve. I don't have liquidity for this. Maybe I will just come back and try to get into this. So we're done with that one. We are talking about staking. So first you have to go here and swap, convert your ton into stone. Search for stone and make sure you convert it. Take it very well. Okay, yeah, this stone very well. So convert it here to your ton. I don't want to do it again because I already create a one, but you can convert it right now. Just swap it, and I think this fee will be much lower than the one we are using before. So the last one we did is 0.0.5, and right now is 0.05, which is quite okay for us. So let us do something. Let us do an example here. So I'm going to confirm it right now, just using this one to do my example and input my password. So after you do that one, you can now go to your staking, and you are going to reload it and click on stake done. Total amount you want to stake. Let us wait for this one to load. So as you can see, everything here is live. I'm doing this one live and direct. There's no editing in it. Maybe someone is trying to scam you. This is the one of the best platform, the DEX platform on this blockchain, and I've been using it for a while. The second one I'm using is a Dot, but I love to use this one because the interface is very friendly and straightforward. Like, can't just go on and be looking for what you don't lose. We have the strap right here, we have the pool right here, we have the stake right here, and we have the blog and documentation if you want to read. We even have the GitHub. If you're kind of developer, you know what you can do there. Okay, so Right, taking our time. Let's see. I've drawn quite a volume here. Just 1 second. It's trying to say. So I'm think this thing is already changed to Python. Okay, can you see now? Python. Now is at Python. So I think we are done right there. Let us go to staking. Reload. As you can see, this is what we have. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to save like can either stick for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So let me go for 12 months. And this is the reward you are going to get. So this is for like 3 months, 0.5 gem, and this is my power. Okay, at all I have like 20 stone right here. So this is what I'm going to get, and this will be, as you can see, based on how much stone you have, that is purchasing power you are going to get. So I'm going to go for 12 months. So let me click on stake, confirm stake, and so they are trying to get like 0.02 30 for this one. So like input your password, and it should be done by now. So boom, I done that one now. So in the later video, I'm going to do a videos on how you can navigate each platform like very well. Next time I'm going to do only on swapping, the next time only on pool, the next time only on staking. Okay, so here's our pool price. Let it be breathing there. Okay, so I think I want to make something here. Farm LLP token to get reward. The APR is 24 hours. So let me see here. I think I need to explore this one. Okay, I think to explore more of this when I'm done. So when I get my reward, I'm going to check it out. Okay, so for watching this sort of rewards time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. And the last one you have to do right here when it comes to this, I forgot, is to farm it. So click on this and click confirm. So you have to confirm it right here. So boom, enter your password and farm it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.